A strong persona and impressive manhood can impress the women of your dream. Women love dating men who are impressive, have a great sense of humor, can make them laugh and satisfy them in the bed. A sociology study has shown that women are more attracted to men with a high level of testosterone. So knowing that not incorporating a healthy habit that will only take 5 minutes of your time daily and make you feel better and also making you more popular among members of the opposite sex. I will give you a tutorial on testosterone boosting guide contains delicious juice cocktail recipes that help any man to achieve the testosterone levels of his youth and permanently reverse the signs and symptoms of premature male menopause. It contains 17 enhancing blended beverage recipes to increase your testosterone levels that are meant to help men to vaporize the vicious limp libido syndrome finally. It contains simple trick to short-circuit the hormonal chaos that's ravaging your masculine drive in as little as 24 hours. It helps you neutralize the virility vampires that are destroying your own body's natural ability to ignite the testosterone factory in your flesh package. It provides fast, easy, fun and exciting to prepare delicious juice cocktail to stop the premature aging that's ravaging your body's most precious cells and gain back the masculinity. You will be exposed to suggestive images for the specific purpose of helping to promote your testosterone production. You will find 17 juicing recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and increase your testosterone levels all at the same time. You will discover a secret stash of delicious blended beverage recipes that make any woman in your life squeal with feminine delight. You will find 7 sneaky little virility vampires that steal your natural power, rob you of your youth, and ignite a cascade of genes deep inside your body's cells. You will discover a group of superfood compounds that any man can start to incorporate in his diet to neutralize the xenoestrogens and toxins that are damaging your mojo. Let us help you regain your lost confidence on again. Click the link in the description.